Tilt it down a little. Oh!
Here we go.
What? Why aren't we taking a picture of that?
Alright, the hard part's over.
Really too shady for me.
Alright, girls, come on down. Away we go. Stand up right behind the bar, side by side. Tuck underneath. 2 black ones for you, and the blue and the black one for you. Go ahead and clip those clips in.
The blue and black?
So those clips are tucked in there. Yep, and you're doing the 2 blacks. Alright, now sit right down on your butts all the way. Put your feet out by me.
Put this pencil.
See ya.
Yay! I'm nervous that this thing's gonna go I don't know, something's on my head. It's making me nervous. I'm really nervous that this thing's on my head. Yay! Yeah, but how are they gonna get it? I'm hanging on to it in my hand. Say hello.
Hello!
So, yes, we're up in the air. Give a nice full view. There's Moon Baby. When Daddy let me fly. Look how much higher I am than you are. Oh, never mind. Whee! Hold hands! Yay! I want to spit my gum out. They're watching. No. Should I spit my gum out? Oh gosh! Are you kidding? You're screaming.
No, I'm not screaming. I'm just saying you.
Look at those people. Whoa! I can't wait till Junie goes up. Whee! Whee! We need to say something so there's conversation on here.
What's that?
So how is your cheese dip?
Cheese dip?
Let's sing a song. What song should we sing? Hey, I just met you,
And this is crazy.
but here's my number.
So call me maybe.
It's hard to look right at your baby, but here's my number. So call me maybe. No, until we go down towards the water, you're not gonna say that. He was doing kind of mean. I was like, okay, let's go. Whoa!
He's in a bit of a rush.
Look at the view. I can see my house from here. Let's see, where is my house? No, it's really far from here. It's down that way. Yeah, I can't see it. It's too far. There's Moon Bay. Hello, Victoria. They're in there right now. Yes. That'd be kind of gross.
Kinda.
Look at how it makes our legs go like this. Shacky. I don't see any fish.
Shark
Oh, that's soon. He shook the rope. Here it comes, here it comes. Whee! Hey, look at these people below us. That's what you're supposed to do if it were to ever, like, go bad. hear it fall or sink. But Phil's just like, bye bye.
You're right, you smack the water.
Yeah.
Smack. You would smack it
It,
all
it
right.
would probably not feel so good.
Smack the guy.
Well, actually, if I were to let go of the rope right now, I would hit the water, but we don't die. We just probably get severely injured. Look at that, quite a breeze right now. The sun, or the wind blowing in my...
There we go.
It was like dry skin. Yeah, it was. Yep, that's going to be there forever. Okay. Well, we're making an intense journey across the Great Ocean Blue. I see Cuba from here. It's like right over there. And then after our great journey, we're going to go home and watch some more of The Walking Dead. And then, The Walking Dead. And then, Jeannie's going to come up here and have fun adventures, and that should be interesting. And now we are dipping.
And now we are...
Oh,
Oh,
oh gosh.
and now
Oh,
we
we're
are
dipping on
landing
the boat. What if we did land on it? Land ho!
That would be awesome. A total James Bond movie.
Totally. I would feel like a freaking ninja if that happened.
Flying like a bird.
I wanna fly away. I don't know. That house is so cool. The one on the corner. Why is it? Yes. When Paul's on her, just like, woo! Ew, your gum is brown. Is this tilted in a good area?
Here we're going.
We're going.
We're going.
We're going to dip. It's going to be a little chilly, I bet. Do you think someone's ever lost the bottoms?
Probably.
Oh, we can't do it here. There's a boat.
Look, I'm putting...
Woo! Hello! Hello!
Like, I put this water on my butt.
Why?
I don't know, because it's so better of me sitting up straight.
I hope you fall.
How you go.
Wait, are we not going to dip in the water?
What do you mean?
He's reeling us in.
Nope.
Now here we go.
Nope, here we are.
Woo! Hello! Oh, jeez! We're going really fast!
Here we are. Here we are. Here we are.
Here we are, about to go deeply in the water. Knee deep.
Knee deep in the water somewhere.
And I don't want to get eaten by a sharky. Woo! Yay! One time I got like up to here.
Alright, girls, stand up on your feet when you come in.
Okie dokie. Oh gosh, I'm not on the boat.